Welcome back to Gilmax. Today in this video, we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. It is coming in 10th standard CBSE syllabus. So we'll check memory trick to remember trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. So which are all the angles we want to remember always? Sine 0, sine 30, sine 60, sine 45, sine 90 degree. That means you have to remember the values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree, isn't it? For all the trigonometric ratios, you have to remember these values only. Sine 30, cos 30, like that. So I'll give you a simple trick to remember this value. By using your hands, how can you remember this values? So first we will go for sine values. How we will remember the sine values? So always you use your right hand to write. So you choose your left hand to remember this values. Okay? Choose your left hand. Take your left hand and all the finger name you know. This is thumb finger. This is pointer. This is middle finger. This is ring finger. This is little finger. Isn't it? So we are going to give values for this 5 fingers. This is 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, once more. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay. So, in sine theta, that means while taking sine values, we will choose thumb side. Okay, we will choose thumb side. But while taking cosine values, we will choose little finger side. Okay, here we are first going to find out sine value. So we will choose thumb side. Okay, so what is the formula for finding out the values of sines? Square root of number of fingers on thumb side divided by 2. Square root of number of fingers on thumb side divided by 2. Okay, this is the thumb finger. So this side you have to use. Okay, we will check first. First we will go to sine 30 degree. So which one is 30 degree? This is 30 degree. Okay, and this is thumb side. Okay, how many fingers are left in thumb side? How many fingers are? This is 30 degree. So we have to close this 30 degree. And how many fingers are left in thumb side? One finger is left in thumb side. Okay, so sine 30 is equal to. So how many fingers are left in thumb side? One finger. Square root of 1 by 2. And denominator always it should come 2 only. And the square root is applicable only for the upper side. That means for the numerator only square root is applicable. Okay. So square root of 1 by 2 is sine 30. What is square root of 1? Square root of 1 is equal to 1. So answer is what? 1 by 2. Sine 30 you got as 1 by 2. Okay. Sine 30 you got as 1 by 2. If I am taking sine 0. Sine 0, this is 0 degree. So any fingers are left in thumb side? No fingers are left in thumb side. So sine 0 is equal to what? Sine 0 is equal to square root of number of fingers on thumb side. How many fingers? 0 fingers. 0. Square root of 0 by 2. Square root of 0 is equal to 0. And 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So sine 0 you got as 0. Next one, sine 45. 45. Which one is 45 degree? This middle finger is 45 degree. So how many fingers left on thumb side? 2 fingers left on thumb side. Okay. 2 fingers. 1, 2. 2 fingers left on thumb side. So sine 45 is equal to, what is sine 45? Square root of 2 by 2. Okay. Because 2 fingers left on thumb side. So we have to take 2. Square root of 2 and how can we simplify this? 2 we can write as root 2 into root 2 and we can cancel 1 root 2 and what you will get? 1 by root 2 you will get. So what is sine 45 degree? Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Next one is sine 60 degree. Okay, in this, which one is 60 degree? This one is 60 degree. So we have to close that. So remaining how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3 fingers are thumb side. So what we should write? Sine 60 is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Okay, square root of 3 by 2. So that also we got as root 3 by 2. Now sine 90. Which one is 90 degree? This one is 90 degree. The small finger is 90 degree. So how many fingers are left in thumb side? 4 fingers are left in thumb side. So sine 90 is equal to 4 square root of 4 by 2. What is square root of 4? 2. 2 by 2, that's equal to 1. So sine 90 degree you got as 1. Okay, now we got all sine values. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 is equal to 1. So what the formula you have to keep in your mind? Sine values is equal to number of fingers, square root of number of fingers on thumb side by 2. That square root is applicable only for the numerator, not for the denominator. Okay. Next we will find out cos values, cosine values. Now we will check cosine values. How we will find out the cosine values? Okay. So we have to take our left hand and want to choose our little finger. Now we are going to use our little finger side. Okay. And values are same. This is 0 degree, this is 30, this is 45, this is 60 and this is 90 degree. Okay. And first we are going to find out cos 90. And our formula is cos value is equal to square root of number of fingers on little finger side by 2. Square root of number of fingers on little finger side by 2. That is our formula. So first we are going to take cos 90 degree. Okay, cos 90. This is 90 degree. If you are taking 90 degree, if you are closing this, how many fingers are left in little finger side? No fingers are left in little finger side. So cos 90 is equal to what? Cos 90 is equal to how many fingers are left? 0 fingers. Square root of 0 by 2, that's equal to 0. So cos 90 you got as 0. And what about cos 60? So which one is 60 degree? This is 60 degree. So how many fingers are left in little finger side? Only one finger left in little finger side. So cos 60 is equal to square root of 1 by 2. Okay, square root of 1 by 2 and square root of 1 is equal to 1 and your answer is 1 by 2. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Next one is cos 45 degree. Okay, the middle finger is 45 degree. While taking, what happened? 2 fingers left in the little finger side. Okay, 2 fingers left. So cos 45 degrees equal to square root of how many fingers left? 2 fingers. Square root of 2 by 2. That's equal to square root of 2 by 2. You can write as root 2 into root 2 and we can cancel the root 2s and you will get 1 by root 2. Okay. So cos 45 is equal to what? 1 by root 2. Next one is cos 30 degree. So which one is 30 degree here? The pointer finger is 30 degree here. And how many fingers left in little finger side? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers left in little finger side. Okay. So what will be cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Okay. So cos 30 is equal to square root of 3 by 2. And what is cos 0? 0 degree is this one. So how many fingers left in little finger side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers left in little finger side. So cos 0 is equal to square root of 4 by 2. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. 2 by 2. That's equal to 1. And cos 0 is equal to 1. So we got cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay. So if you are checking this too, you can see that if you are reversing this sine values, you will get cos value. So if you found the sine values easily, you can find the cos values also. If you keep your sine values in your mind, easily you can find out the cosine values also. Okay, next we will go for tan values. So the formula for tan values is square root of number of fingers on thumb side divided by square root of number of fingers on little finger side. Okay. So first we will go for tan 45 degree. Okay, which one is tan 45? This is 45 degree. Okay, so we have to close this. And how many fingers now left in thumb side? 2 fingers left in thumb side. How many fingers left in little finger side? 2 fingers left in little finger side. Okay, so tan 45 is equal to, how many fingers left in thumb side? 1, 2. 2 fingers left in thumb side. So square root of 2 divided by how many fingers left in little finger side? Little finger is here. 2 fingers left in little finger side. So square root of 2 by square root of 2, that's equal to 1. So tan 45 we got as 1. Okay, this you only know. Next one is tan 60. Or you can take tan 30 as you wish. Okay, I am taking tan 60 here. This one is 60 degree and which one is thumb side? This one is thumb side. Isn't it? Thumb is here. So this one is thumb side. So how many fingers left in thumb side? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers left in thumb side. I am taking tan 60 here. Okay. Square root of how many fingers left in thumb side? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers left in thumb side. And how many fingers left in little finger side? Only 1 finger. So root 3 by root 1. That's equal to root 3 by root 1 is equal to 1 only. So that's equal to root 3. So tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Next we have to find out 90 degree. Tan 90 we have to find out. So which one is 90 degree here? This one is 90 degree. I have to close this finger. And how many fingers left in thumb side now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers left in thumb side. So tan 90 is equal to, tan 90 degree is equal to square root of how many fingers left in thumb side? 4 fingers. So square root of 4 divided by how many fingers left in little finger side? Any finger left there? No. No fingers left. So that is 0. Square root of 4 by 0. Square root of 4 is equal to what? 2 only. And 2 by 0. 2 by 0, a number divided by 0 is not defined. So tan 90 degree is not defined. Okay, so tan 90 degree is not defined. Now we have to find out tan 0 degree and tan 30 degree. Okay, we'll go for 30 degree now. So this one is 30 degree. We have to close this. And how many fingers left in thumb side? Thumb side only 1 finger left. So tan 30 degree is equal to, what we should do? Square root of thumb side divided by square root of little finger side. So square root of thumb side, square root of 1 divided by square root of little finger side. How many fingers left in little finger? 3. Okay, so square root of 3. Square root of 1 is equal to 1 and square root of 3 we can write as it is. And we got 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Next one is tan 0. What is tan 0? We will check. So this is 0 degree. So we have to close this. Okay. And how many fingers left in thumb side now? No fingers left in thumb side. So in the numerator what will come? Square root of 0 will come. And what will come in the denominator? 4 fingers left in little finger side. So this is square root of 4. So square root of 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. Isn't it? 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. And we got tan 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so by using this simple trick, it is really easy to find out the trigonometric values, isn't it? So we can easily find out trigonometric values of sine, cos and tan. If you know how to find out this, you can easily find out other 3 trigonometric values also. That means cosec, sec and cot, isn't it? The reciprocal of sine, you will get cosec values. If you are taking the reciprocal of cos values, you will get sec values. If you are taking the reciprocal of tan values, you will get cot values, isn't it? Okay, so this 3 formulas, if you are keeping in your mind, within seconds you can find out the trigonometric values by using your left hand, isn't it? So I hope all of you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time through comment box. Thank you for watching.